Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make a really quick and easy little cobbler style cocktail using some jam and some sherry and some whiskey. So let's get into it. So this is going to be sort of your sweet component. So we're going to go a couple of big spoonfuls of that. Then I'm going to use a grapefruit. I'm going to squeeze in a couple of wedges. And then a couple of wedges of lemon as well. And then I'm going to use some blended whiskies. Any sort of more fruity blended whiskey or single malt will work. So I'm going to go 45 mils of that. And then I've got some amontillado sherries. I'm going to go 20 mils of that. So I'm going to shake that up. I'm going to just dump into my glass here. Get some of our fruit in there too. It basically counts as a fruit salad, this one. And there we have a little Frankenstein whiskey sherry cobbler smash with apricot jam. Super fruity, super fun, really refreshing. I think that would be a really fun one to throw together for yourself to go sit in the garden on a sunny day. So now you know.